Okay, you guys, mystery boxes are here. You guys, hello, welcome to the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, hello, my name is CONNORKRYSTYN. Welcome to the fam bam. It's so nice to have you here. Go ahead and subscribe because you know what? You're gonna want to. I'm a hoot. We're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways here very soon once I get my other two boxes. We have done so many giveaways on this channel and a lot of them were basically Jeffree Star giveaways. So stay tuned for the giveaways here. You're gonna be seeing items that are gonna be going into the giveaway and you know, items that are for me. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Twitter. I'll have it all down below. I love to talk to you guys, mostly on Instagram, but we talk on Twitter. So first off, I really just want to open up this premium box first because you guys know I am the most pumped for it because you know why. You've seen my spoiler videos. You know what's coming in here. It's freaking exciting and I just have to open this one first. Like I just have to. Oh. Well, bam. Okay. Yes. All right. First off, we have the exclusive beanie here. I need to know right now if this beanie is going to fit on my head, which probably, but you know, whatever. Here we go. Nice and comfortable. It definitely fits. The only complaint I have is that it's like, you know, it's your average like 99-cent beanie at the local gas station, except for there's a little Jeffree Star patch. But other than that, keeps your little earsies warm. We love that. And then we have the pop socket here, which very freaking exciting. If you don't want your pop sockets and you don't know what to do with them, I have a P.O. box down below. Send me your pop sockets. I'll take your pop sockets if you don't want them. I love them. Just surprise me with all of the pop sockets. Just pop socket me to death. I don't care. I want the pop sockets. Here is the exclusive gloss. This is in the shade Succulent. So exciting. I still really want the purple gloss that's coming in the Supreme. Unfortunately, I'm not getting the Supreme box, but I do have someone that I'm going to trade with, and if that falls through, hit me up with offers because I want that purple gloss. Or if you just want to send it to me, throw it in my P.O. box. Yes, I'm literally asking for you guys to send me lip gloss because I'm sick in the head. I'm like that desperate. But anyways, this is the exclusive gloss for the premium pink. Pretty, love it so much. I would actually put it on my lips, but my lips hurt because I just filmed another video. Oh, I touched myself. Anyways, so let's find a swatch place. Oh, yes. Very pretty. Love it, love it, love it. It can now be added to the whole situation back here. Beautiful. Now, what I've been waiting for is the Alien palette. You guys know that I am so excited about this because I wanted it. And, well, you guys know the story. It has been a journey to get here, and we got it. Actually, you know what? I kind of look really freaking cute in this beanie. Like, I didn't know red was this much of my color. I just wish it wasn't so, like, you know, that up there. Here's the Alien palette. ASMR really quick. Okay, if you guys don't know, I am like on the hunt for like a really good mic that'll work with my whole setup because I want to start an ASMR channel. Actually, I already did, but whatever. And I set up an Instagram account. We're calling it Blush Moon, so... Oh my god, this is actually the Alien palette. I'm touching the Alien palette. I love the material of this. Oh my gosh. Alien palette. Wait. I'm not kidding you guys. I'm gonna start an ASMR channel. I'm serious. And a channel so I can play The Sims because I love The Sims and I've been playing since 2000 pretty much. So I played all the Sim games. I want to start a Sims channel. Probably not gonna happen, but the ASMR channel, totally gonna happen. This is the Alien palette. I'm so excited. And guess what, you guys? I'm gonna have another Alien palette that I can give away. So stay tuned because this is discontinued. And wouldn't you rather win it in a giveaway than go spend $200 on Poshmark because people are selling them for a ridiculous amount? Oh, I'm so excited. so pumped. All right, now it's time to get on to the Deluxe. It's not everyone's favorite. A lot of people actually canceled their box, and guess what? Jeffree Star made them available again for like a short amount of time because there was, I guess, a lot of cancellations. So they put the Deluxe box back on sale from people's canceled orders, and once everyone found out about that on Twitter, they got sold out again like really fast. Like you guys went and bought them like extra lightning super fast. So that's the tea on that you guys got to actually have a chance to buy the boxes again since so many people canceled. But anyways, let's see what I got in this box. Okay. Shaboom. Okay, so I definitely got this variation, and it has the dark 24 karat palette. I want to see this in person because a lot of you guys said that this could actually work for me, and I'm actually curious about this like goldeny shade in here for like my eyes, because usually I wouldn't put this on my eyes, but I'm actually like intrigued by it now. Like at first I was like, oh, it's for dark skin, but you know, we can always make lots of uses out of it. Oh yeah, this is actually like so pretty. I need to swatch this. This is what I'm interested in. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this palette. If I get another one, well, obviously I'm going to keep it. I touched it. If I get another one, it'll go in the giveaway. Right now, keeping it. This, I think, would work for me. Yeah, it definitely would. So that's good. And then these other shades, we can just, you know, we can figure it out. My palette's broken. Oh my God. Look at that. My palette is broken. Well, that didn't take long, did it? I didn't do it, I swear. My palette broke. Okay, good thing I'm not giving it away because it would have been broken in like 2 seconds for you guys. Now we have the pink hat that fueled the drama. This hat smells like an old person's house. Anyways, I love hats. I wear them all of the time, so I'm actually excited to have this. The only difference between this hat and the hat they were selling online is the fact that this one's cotton material and the other one is satin. Where does it say that? Because I want to see. Where's the list? It doesn't actually say on the hat what the material is, so that's a little weird, but this is the hat. I'm definitely excited for it. Let's take the beanie off for a second and put the hat on. I love hats. Oh yeah, so cute. Just gotta tighten it a little bit and we will rock the hat when we drop off the child every morning at school. And when we go grocery shopping, because usually my hair is dirty and that's why I wear a hat all the time. But I kind of want the beanie back on because it was keeping me warm, because for some freaking reason it snowed. So there's snow everywhere and it's freezing outside. So we're gonna keep the beanie on because it was keeping me kind of warm. Here we have a t-shirt. I have mine in size large, since you know the variants are like, they depend on what size you have. I am actually gonna get another one of these shirts in extra large, but I'm giving it to my mother. I'm sorry. My mommy comes first. I'm so sorry. But here's the shirt. I was a little salty about the fact that they used the exact same print as they did on the actual hoodie, but you know, I don't really care. I really like the shirts, and I do like when they give black shirts. This is my third black shirt from him, and I do like getting a black shirt. Anyways, let's move on. We have the mini breaker here. We're gonna keep this. This is gonna be for a giveaway. I already have one. This is gonna be my 4th one to give away, and then 5th whenever I get my other box. So I'm gonna put it in my giveaway drawer and save that for later. Then we have the green pack of straws. Super exciting. I have now the green pack, the blue pack, one orange and one pink from the other mystery boxes. If you don't know, they're actually selling these and a bunch of other things like the highlighting palettes for like a very big discount on Beauty right now. I think these are like $16. The mirrors are $20. The 24 karat highlighting palette I think is like $30, but the platinum ice one I think is like $28. So if you want to get your hands on something from Jeffree Star really cheap, now is your chance. I got the gloss here in Legends Only. Very excited about this gloss. So let's give it a swatch. I don't own this gloss, so very, very excited. Here it is. Give it a little swatch. Do you hear that pop? Smells like them all. It's just your nice nude gloss. Very, very pretty. You can't probably tell where it's at. Actually, you can kind of see the color. This one right here. There's the gloss. Let's let you go to your home. Actually, we don't have space anymore. We'll put it here. All of my lipstick is already filled up except for what I put in my everyday makeup drawer. So I'm gonna have to buy more of these so I can fit more of my lipsticks because I have more. They just don't fit. And then here we have the Velour liquid lipstick in the mystery shade. I'm gonna get another one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it. I might do some tradesies for a purple lip. Not sure how that's gonna work out. So here it is. It's kind of like the other metallic we got and then the poinsettia shade, but this one has the pink reflex in it. This one smells a little funny, but that's okay. And this is a very gorgeous color. Definitely very flattering for all skin tones. We love that. Then lastly, we have a mirror here. I wonder which one. I wonder if it's going to be like white and gold because it has the sticker here. Honestly, kind of excited because I want a white mirror. I actually really like white. Even like coffee cups. My like Yeti coffee mug is white. I don't know. I just really like white and I would like a white one. So, but I'll take like any mirror. I don't care. Oh, okay. This is the white and gold one. That's so exciting. It has like the little like pearlescent to it. Oh, I like this mirror. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. Yeah, you can see the like, well, you can't. The little like pearlescent. It's like, there's like pink little pearl glitters all over it. Pearl glitters? No. But, and you know what? I look so good. And this is gonna go so well with my orange one from the Halloween mystery box. Ooh. Hey, how are ya? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. That is it for this unboxing for now. And also, if I have the exact same mirror coming in my other box, it will be going in the giveaway. But if it's not, it's mine, okay? But, yeah. Oh, same with the straws. If I get green straws again, it'll go in the giveaway. I don't need, like, a bunch of green straws. So, yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me everywhere. Join the family. I love you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Okay, anyways, that is it. I just want to hold this mirror a lot. I don't know. This video has gotten like really awkward now, so I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!